Hello everyone, welcome back to RareChem Official. Today we are going to discuss about one of the parameter, that is bond angle. Angle between orbital containing bonding pair of electrons around the central atom in a molecule is called bond angle. This is central atom. These are the two bond pairs. The angle between two bonding pair is called bond angle. Bond angle is determined by spectroscopic methods. As the bond angle increases, stability increases. Bond angle is affected by the presence of lone pair of electrons on the central atom. If take CH4, 0 lone pairs, the bond angle is 109 degree 28 minutes. If take NH3, it has one lone pair, the bond angle is 107 degree. In H2O, the bond angle is 104 due to two lone pairs present. Bond angle depends on state of hybridization. As percent of S character increases, bond angle increases. Here C2H2, C2H4, C2H6, here 50% of S character, 33%, 25% S character. If S character increases, bond angle increases. Here S character is more, bond angle is more. If the electronegativity of the central atom decreases, bond angle increases. If NH3 central atom decreases, electronegativity, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic and antimony. Electronegativity of central atom decreases, bond angle is increases with decrease in electronegativity of surrounding atoms. Here nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic and antimony, from top to bottom in a group, electronegativity decreases. So nitrogen has more electronegativity than phosphorus. So electronegativity increases, bond angle is electronegativity decreases, bond angle is increases. So nitrogen is more electronegativity, bond angle is higher for NH3. In case of central atom remains same, bond angle increases with decrease in electronegativity of surrounded atoms. Here central atom is differs, surrounded atoms are same. Here central atom is same, surrounded atoms differ. Central atom remains same, bond angle increases with decrease in electronegativity. Central atom is same, bond angle is increases with decrease in electronegativity. Electronegativity is decreased for lower for iodine, bond angle is higher for Ni3. Whenever central atom is differ, electronegativity increases, bond angle is increases. Whenever central atom is same, electronegativity decreases, bond angle increases. So Ni3 has higher bond angle than NBr3, then NCl3, then NF3.